Hey guys, what's up? SBK here, and welcome back to another Incredibles video, finally, for what seems like forever. If you remember in the last video, I somehow got in this position where the fire alarm got pulled, I think. I don't remember if there was an actual fire or not, but I just know I gotta get past this mob of people. Because last time we broke into the Screenslaver's base, I guess you can call it. Oh.
Goodbye, Elastigirl. It's been fun.
I'm here too, you know.
He's here too, you know.
The smashing and the dust isn't helping my allergies.
Alright, but you can say that again, Pops. Yeah, I suffer from allergies myself. Oh. that looks really fucking weird.
The door's blocked. We're gonna have to get imaginative.
Got an idea. Push that block down for me.
I'll block this one. Okay, I guess that's gonna be used for later. Wait, what block? Oh, okay, I got it now. Old man's losing muscle.
Look out below! We'll need to build something to clear the way up there.
Then let's build fast. He's getting away.
I have a very odd feeling that my commentary is not going to be heard, and I'm really terrified of that. Right now, I'm just hoping for the best. Okay, what now? Yeah, that's gonna hurt. So is this. Ah, domestic violence! Okay, what's this for, though? Okay, what do I do? Surely that had to be for something. Ah, here we go. Do I just jump on this? What even is the point of that? Oh. Ow. I guess I'm gonna be shot out now, I guess. Oh. Woo! Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Incredible! I haven't had this much fun in years.
That's nice, but we gotta go.
Yeah, we gotta go, old man. Come on.
More than that to stop us.
Fortnite's installed, but I gave it up for Lent. What the frickin' fuck? Fuck you, screenslaver. Fuck you. Is there a way I can sprint?
Come on, come on. Open.
Ah!
Better luck next time.
No!
Oh, you fucking dick.
Well, we were close.
It's not over. Let's move this elevator.
No,
Come on. Yeah, we're gonna move this elevator, alright. What do I need to do? I see.
No!
Actually, that would be yes.
Alright. Let's do some parkour.
This is it. We're gonna catch him.
hopefully soon, because I'm getting a cramp.
Oh, fucking spiders. I don't get freaked out at spiders like a lot of weird ass people do. You're not getting away, screen sleep. Poor pigeon.
Elastigirl? What happened? Did I give you the wrong order?
You're a criminal.
You don't like anchovies? What?
Really? You expect me to believe you're just a pizza guy?
Well, yeah. I mean, who do you think I am?
Poor old guy.
I'm doing the math, I'm fixing the boyfriend and keeping the baby from turning into a flaming monster. How do I do it? By rolling with the punches, baby, because I'm Mr. Incredible. I think I just need a little bit of meat. Then I'll be good.
Oh, you need more than me time, Bob. You need major life realignment on a number of levels. You need some solid outside-the-box thinking.
Highly unusual. Are you seeing this, Robert? Fascinating. You look ghastly. I understand your lack of sleep and coherency, Robert. Babies can be anything, and your child is no exception. He is pure, unlimited potential, Robert. Tia just stayed up all night making sure you look fabulous in your mini forms.
Well, that's some real creepy shit. Elastic around the case. I have one more. I just have time for one more mission, I think. Ooh, stonks. Ooh, a nice dance at the disco. What could go wrong? Maybe Screenslaver shows up.
I want to thank everyone that came out tonight in support of superheroes. Leaders from more than 100 of the world's top countries have agreed to make superheroes legal again. We'll gather superheroes and leaders from all
That voice sounds awfully familiar.
the ever just for a televised signing ceremony at sea. Oh well, when in Rome.
Oh, I think that's Robert. I think that's Robert De Niro voicing. Wow!
Okay, good. Use the thing. See, that's the current readout.
There!
Okay, come out. Num num cookie. Yeah! Yeah, yeah.
Why doesn't he have the spike in his head? That's what I'm wondering.
You startled me.
Oh, sorry, I noticed you slip away. You seemed preoccupied. Is everything okay?
Yeah, I just needed a breather.
Sure. Fancy stretching your legs? Oh, I mean, sorry, I didn't mean to...
It's fine, Void.
I think she's kind of gay.
That would be great. Come on.
Not that I have anything against gay people.
Actually, I haven't seen much of this place. You want to go look around?
Absolutely.
Sorry, ladies, can't let you in. They got a little invite happy, you see. We're in full capacity.
Alright, maybe I'll just beat the fuck out of you then.
That Elastigirl and Void are...
Look, I ain't from round here, so name dropping won't work on me. On your way.
Come on, Void. We'll find a way to distract them and get back in.
Let's go, let's go. Not very early spring anymore. I like all these people with attitudes. It's really funny. Ah, here we go. Okay, now we rebuild this as something else. Because that's how it works. Oh, I'm supposed to fucking hold it. Okay.
My portals! Sometimes I forget I can use them for stuff like this. You know, sneaky, mission-y stuff.
Okay, Void. That's cool. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. She sounds like she has asthma or something, man.
Yay! Here we go! So what are we gonna build?
I don't know. Do you want an inhaler? That's cool. Yeah, because everybody's just gonna be eating a random birthday cake. They're not gonna question us. Fucking cartoon slash video game logic. Now let's continue the story.
Interesting.
Oh, so this is where you two are hiding. Boyd, I think Winston's looking for you.
Oh, sure. Right. I guess I'll catch up with you later.
Funny.
What?
One of Screenslaver's monitors is tuned into my suit cam.
What?
Isn't the suit cam close?
Uh-oh.
It is.
Then how come Screenslaver has it?
Maybe he hacked it? Oh.
What if the pizza guy is really a pizza guy, but he was controlled by the screens built into his glasses?
Uh-oh.
Hello?
Elastic
Know it.
in trouble.
What? What happened to her?
Sorry to tell you on the phone. Meet me on our ship at DevTech.
What's going on? I don't know, but Dad called Lucius after getting a call about Mom, and then left. Huh?
Hello? You kids aren't safe. The Devers sent us to take you.
Well, isn't that redundant? The Devils just sent me here to guard the house. Because the kids aren't safe.
Want to put up a fight, huh? Fine. But you will come with us.
Nah, I'm good. Alright. I gotta go. Bye.
Don't worry, we'll get him.